2017 Ford Focus ST stick shift. Really nice car. What we got done on it, he's got a catted downpipe, but he's going to do himself. So it's got the factory converter for right now. Then he brought us a catback MBRP system right there, as you guys can see, all the way back, 3-inch. He wanted more for the opening more than the sound. He didn't want it too loud. So it comes with a giant resonator, a secondary resonator. I don't know if you call this a resonator or a muffler. It looks to me like a muffler. But resonator, another resonator. Then it goes over the rear axle and out the back dual. Their MBRP's custom Y pipe setup there with dual 4-inch tips out the back. As you guys can see right there, Ford Focus ST. And this is the original exhaust that we cut off. There's the resonator, then the intermediate pipe, and then the muffler and tip out the back. That was out with the old, in with the new. Sexy, beautiful. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys liked it. And he said he'll bring it back later on. And we're gonna probably put the catted downpipe for him if he can't do it himself. Again, guys, thanks for watching. And make sure you guys subscribe. You can hear the blowout valve. Not bad. I like it. Again. Your sound decibel. Right at 101. It's probably without the blowout valve 97. Go ahead and back it out. That's actually really clean sounding. I like it. Lately, that's what we've been going for, is like clean sound, no more loud. Nice. Again? One more. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford Focus ST, 6-speed standard MBRP system, catback, 3-inch. We'll have a link in the description for you guys. Nice! Beast mode! That's awesome. Enjoy, guys.